Some of you asked me to see my living room at daytime. I do have the tendency of recording during night hours, so I decided to make this small tour. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Different people have different priorities when creating their space. My number one priority is to create rooms that make me feel like I stepped into a special world. When I was younger, I always thought that your bedroom is a visual representation of who you are and what you're about. So having a beautiful space was always a confidence booster for me. Especially because the outside world can be so tough. It is important for you to have a beautiful space waiting for you at the end of every single day to recalibrate and to make you realize that whatever happens outside is just circumstances and it's temporary. Your true narrative is the one that you're slowly constructing for yourself, and when you step into that space, you step into that world. If you watch my videos, you know that not everything is high-end. I do a lot of DIYs, but I do believe in the beauty of balance. Sometimes you come across a piece that you fall in love with, so you decide to invest. And once it's finally in your possession, it makes everything look more special, and you feel grateful for having it. And it's in this dance of balance that slowly but surely you start to mold and create your own space. Then there are pieces that once they form part of your collection, you ask yourself, how was I ever happy without it? And then there is a completely opposite scenario in which you add pieces and make choices that later on you ask yourself, what was I thinking? This has happened to me too many times in interior design and fashion, but that is one of the reasons I love so much these two aspects of life. As individuals, we are progressing in multiple areas of our lives, but one of the few visual cues that we have to reflect these changes is interior design and fashion. They visually allow you to see your progress and refinement, and it's humbling and motivating at the same time. I look forwards on meeting myself 10 years from now, but once that happens, I'll still have enough self-awareness to know there's still room to grow. Some may say that I'm looking too much into it, but if you follow the process correctly, you would realize that I am not. When you design your space, it shines a light on who you are, your decision-making process, what are your likes and aspirations, how you see yourself, how you would like others to see yourself. It touches your ego and it encompasses so much of you. And that is why I take my time and I have fun in the process, and I wouldn't have it any other way.